Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm diving into a tool I've personally used for a while and still found it incredibly useful, and that is Notion. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, a student, or part of a great team, Notion promises to be your all-in-one workspace. But does it actually deliver? Let's break it down. Now, what is Notion all about? Notion is a productivity platform that combines note-taking, task management, databases, wikis, and even collaboration all in one sleek interface. Think of it as a digital brain where you can organize everything. It is designed to replace tools like Google Documents, Trello, and even part of Slack or Evernote, depending on how you use it. So let's look at some of the features of Notion. We can build pages, databases, calendars, Kanban boards, wiki, and even entire websites with Notion. These are the features that Notion offers, and you know when it comes to building an entire website, you can do all of this without writing a single line of code. What I personally love is how customizable it is. You are not boxed into templates. You can build your own workflows. Um, you want a second brain setup, a content calendar, a CRM, it is all possible. Plus, the collaboration features are solid. Real-time updating, comments, and sharing permissions make working with a team pretty seamless. Now we are over on Notion menu, and you get to see a list of features. From the features, you can see Notion AI Docs, Wix projects, Enterprise Search, AI meeting notes, form sites, and a lot of them, right? Yeah, so that's it. Now let's talk about the pricing. As for the pricing, you would see that they have a generous free plan, which is great for personal use, unlimited pages and blogs. The plus plan starts around $10 per month, and it is ideal for small teams. If you're scaling, there's a business plan, as you can see, starting from $20, and even an enterprise option with advanced admin and security features. So for students and educators, Notion is free. That's a big win. And from here, you can see a lot of features that Notion offers for free. All right. So that is that on the pricing. Then for the support and community, Notion support is decent. It is email based. No live chat though. But what really makes up for it is the community. There are tons of templates, tutorials, and forums where users share their builds. I have personally learned more from Reddit and YouTube than their head docs, to be honest. Okay, so that. And if you come to explore menu, you can easily access their community center there, website, customer storage blog, and all that. All right. So that is that for the pros and cons. Um, the advantages of Notion is that it is extremely flexible and customizable. It has great user interface and user experience, and it has a strong free plan, as you can see. Then it also has a vibrant community. And the disadvantages include the fact that it can be overwhelming at first, and offline mode still isn't the best, right? And it is not ideal for complex project management out of the box. Okay, so the question now is, should you use it? If you love building your own systems or want a single place to manage everything from nodes to projects, Notion is a no-brainer. But if you prefer rigid structures or heavy-duty project management like Gantt charts and dependencies, tools like ClickUp or Arsenal might suit you better. So at the end of the day, I think Notion is one of the most versatile tools out there. It is not perfect, but it is but its flexibility makes it incredibly powerful if you're willing to put in a bit of setup time. So the question is, should you try it? Absolutely, you should. Um, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you use Notion or if you plan to start. Thank you.